the two and one and three, this three types and it's the very long and the reverse those favorite motor.
Yeah, you're right. Hey everybody, welcome back to Raven's View. We got another product for you that we ordered and we got in, and it is a bubble lawnmower. Who doesn't want a bubble lawnmower? You can go out and blow bubbles with a lawnmower. We actually got a couple of them. We used to have another version of it from, let's see, I think Little Tykes, I think, was another version of it. This is another one. And we needed some more. The other one wasn't good enough. We needed a second one, and so we got a second one and actually a third one. So we're going to open it up and check it out, put it together, and put it to the test and compare it to the other one that we have. And this is it. This is called the Maxx Bubbles. Let's see if we can get a shot here. Maxx Bubbles. Bubble and Go Mower. Oh my gosh, this looks way too fun, way too fun, way too fun. They can't wait to get it. Yeah, we got two of them, so we're going to go check it out. All right, we'll open it up and check it out, see what we got. Maxx Bubbles. Here we go, Bubbles.
Here you go, Maxx Bubbles.
Okay, so this is it. We're going to open it up, put it together, and see what happens. Here, let me move the camera a little bit.
This is mine. We need the knife.
Okay. Open this up. Open this up. Okay, hang on to that.
I'm gonna open this.
Okay, this is what we got here. Okay, let's put it back. Let's put it together here. I'm going to turn the camera a little bit so you can see what's going on. Okay, we got two pieces of handle. One handle goes inside here, and snaps in place. Okay, hang on to that. Okay, we got these two clipped together. After you clip these together, there's a couple holes back here. This just snaps right down inside. Bada boom, bada bing, bada boom, snap, snap, snap. We got it. Okay, now this comes with a little cap. The cap, and inside here on the other side is a little sticker. We'll open this up. This goes right over the top.
Bubbles.
Turn that in. Here are the bubbles in here. Can you take it out of there? Take the bubbles out. Here, pull them out of there. Pull them out of there. Little sticker. This goes right up top. All right. Now, we open this up. This is the bubbles. There's a little bubble container right here. Pour some bubble fuel inside.
Where's my beer?
Bubble fuel, bubble fuel, bubble fuel.
Uh-oh.
Okay, you can put a little bit in there And then save some for later.
In the bucket.
Right in the back. There we go. Chikoom! Put the lid on. Put the lid on and it goes down and turns to lock in place. There we go. Okay. Alright, now we're ready to rock and roll. Okay, here we go. Let's check it out. Mark said go. Oh! Go, 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 go! Man, look at all those bubbles. This one's way better. This one has tons more bubbles that comes out of it. And the bubbles are smaller and not as big. You gotta push it faster. On your mark, get set, go! Go, go, go! Uh-oh, here comes your mom. She's gonna race you. She's gonna race you. She's gonna race you. Go, Seneca, go, Seneca, go! Uh-oh, here comes your mom. Go, oh, crash up derby mowers. Go, 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 go. So that's it. This one works way better. Lots of bubbles coming out of this one. Whoa, Seneca, let me see. Push, push, push. Mark said go, 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 go. Go, 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 Seneca, go. On your mark, it said go. Bubbles, bubbles. Bubbles, bubbles.
Okay.
Go, go, go. Go, go, go that way. Nice. Nice job. Oh, it's heavy. Push, 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 push. Push, 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 push. Whoa, there you go. That's it. So you can see there's lots of bubbles. This one comes out the top. This one's a Fisher Price. And the bubbles come out of the side on this one. This is the older one that we have, and you put the bubbles inside the front here and you push it and they come out. The bubbles come out a little bigger on this one, but not as many. So when you push this one here, it does come out, but not as many as the small ones. The new ones that we got here have tons of small, really little bubbles that come out a little bit quicker, a little bit faster, and it's just kind of more visual bubbles and stuff that come out of it there.
Up and down on this and go up.
Yes, you can turn it on and turn it up and down right there. This one has some knobs and things that you can kind of play with and turn off and on. And this one has tons of bubbles. You can see they're coming out the top here. And that's a little bit better system, I think. Just there's like more little bubble spitters that spit the bubbles out of there on this one. So it just kind of goes a little bit better. Whoa, okay, run, 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 run. Mark said go. They are fun. Go, go, go. Up. Okay, so Seneca is not quite 2, just a couple of months shy of 2, and he's pushing it no problem, having a lot of fun. My other son, Denali, he's just turned 4, and he's a little more rocking and rolling and rambunctious here, ready to go. but it's really good fun for just about any age, I think, really. Yeah, nice. Do you like that? You're racing. Okay, on your mark, say go, 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 go. Shh. You can have lawnmower races in the backyard. Here's Dad's lawnmower. I'm just working on mowing the lawn, so they can come out now and help mow the lawn with Dad. All right. Do you like it? There's mine. Okay, thumbs up. Thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up. Yeah, all right. Woohoo! All right, so that's it. So those are two different Bubble lawnmowers. You could check them both out. They're both not bad at all. We had the other one for quite a while. We just got kind of a different version of it. This is the Bubble Maxx Bubbles. Bubble and Go Mower. And I think they're both pretty good, really. I mean, they're both just about the same size. Bubbles come up from the top on this one, the side on the other one. And I think they're both tons of fun. You saw the kids out there having fun with them. Mom came out and had fun too, so I think they're pretty good. I'll put the link to these down in the description below if you want to check out more details, more descriptions, if you want to order them, or you know, just kind of see more reviews of them and things like that. I would check it out. And yeah, let me know if you have any questions, if you have something like this, if you have something different. And I think I'm also going to post a video on how to make homemade bubbles. So look for that one as well. We're going to make some homemade bubbles because we got to get some fuel for the suckers. We got bubbles that it comes with, but it's only a small little 4-ounce bottle, and so we need a lot more bubbles. So we're going to make some different bubbles here. All right, so check in for the bubble maker, homemade bubble maker video, and that's it. Hope you like it. Thanks for stopping by. Ravens View, gonna cheesh, tuye kwasatin. Kinde goosh, thumbs up on this one. All right, see you later.
And one and three, this we touch and it's so very long and the bottom,
Good night, cheesh. Yeah, you're right.